Hello, welcome to Coffee Talk. I am Jill Allen, the founder and owner of Jill Allen and Associates, the orthodontic consulting firm that specializes in startup practices and practices that have been in business 8 years or less. During this Coffee Talk, we are getting back to the basics, and today we are talking about establishing your business's core values. Now, you may be asking yourself, why is it important to establish core values for my practice? If you're asking this, let me tell you, you're not alone. I want to assure you that establishing core values is one of the most important things that you can do instead of just laying out sentences. It's about providing your team with a means to make decisions for your practice and your patients. Value-based decision making provides your team with an outline to use when they are faced with difficult decisions. We want them to use your practice's core values as a guideline for your patient's experience. For example, if your practice's core values are, we work together as a team, or we take responsibility for our patients' experience, or maybe we go in above and beyond to provide the best customer service experience. Then if your team is faced with the decision to stay late and help a patient, instead of asking you, Doc, what should we do? We would want them to follow our company's core values, in which they would stay and help the patient because they are responsible for their patient's experience and they want to go above and beyond to provide the best customer service. This ensures that your team will think like an entrepreneur. Now let's talk a little bit about how do you come up with those core values so your team in turn can make value-based decisions. So I like to tell my offices, your rule of thumb should be your core values should be authentic, number one, specific and simple, easy to remember and repeatable. And the last thing is they want to be actionable. So you want your team to be able to act upon these core values. So again, once more, we want them to be authentic, specific and simple, easy to remember, repeatable, and actionable. So that is our Back to Basics series for today. Again, we went over core values and value-based decision making. For our next Business Basics series, we are going to be talking about setting up and maintaining business goals. So if you'd like to find out more about Jill Allen and Associates, I just want to remind everybody we are here to help. You're always welcome to reach out at www.practiceresults.com. Until next time, happy coffee talk.